Hi friends, my name is Dharini Shah and I'm from Mumbai, and today I'll make for all of you a garlic cheese toast. So let's enjoy.
Okay, now first we'll make garlic butter. For garlic butter we need garlic paste, some chili flakes and butter. So let's quickly do it. I have taken 4-5 garlic pieces. In that I'll add 2 spoons of butter. You can make this mixture and keep it in a fridge for a longer time. In that I'll add some chili flakes, some more chili flakes. If you want it little spicy, you can add. So here our garlic butter is ready. Okay guys, so now we'll take a 2 bread slice and we'll apply. So after garlic butter, we'll add some mozzarella cheese. So just grate mozzarella cheese. After putting mozzarella cheese, I'll add some corn, as I like corn. You can put capsicum also. And we'll quickly sprinkle some oregano. Now we'll apply some more garlic butter. Okay, so it's all ready. Now let's start the pan. जो ये बनाया हुआ हमारा garlic चीज़ टोस्ट है, इसको मैं टर्न करके जिस तरफ मैंने बटर लगाया है उस साइड को मैं इसके ऊपर रख दूंगी. And on the other side I'll apply some more garlic butter. Yes, we have to apply the same garlic butter, no regular butter. And for melting the cheese, we'll just cover it.
Okay guys, so here is our garlic cheese toast, and hope you must have enjoyed the recipe. Try this recipe at home and definitely comment on it. Thank you so much and enjoy this yummy garlic toast.